I'm Dan Villamere. I'm president of C&M Machine Products, and we actually are a manufacturer of precision Swiss machine components. Pretty much all small metal components you can see on the table right here. And we can take apart from engineering, prototype, all the way up through mid to high level production. It started in 1978. My father actually started the company. They started investing in new capital equipment and got into the CNC technology. Every year we're buying something new, and we really want to stay on the leading edge of what's out there. And a good example is if you have a 4-year-old computer versus a brand new computer, which one's going to run better, run faster? And there's value in that from not only our end, but from our customers' end. If someone comes to us with a project and it makes sense for us to go and invest in new capital equipment, we are not afraid to do that at all. We have the means to do it, and we will do it. So we had this part here, and a customer came to us, and they wanted to look at some way of cost reducing it. So we went out and we actually looked at what machine can we go out and buy that'll make the number of parts that they need at the price they need it at. So we went out and found this machine here, this Hydromat, and we actually brought this from a 3-minute and 30-second cycle down to 10 seconds. And actually cost reduce the part by $6. We like to take a look at a process, how they use a part, and then we'll go in there and see how we can cost reduce something like that. A part like this, where this used to be a cap that was press fit on there, and then they welded around, and we looked at it and said, hey, we can make that in one part and save them $1 a part. We've continued to invest in our people. When we get employees, we retain them. We like to treat our employees well, and because they're really the lifeblood of the company. They're the people that make this thing run. We do Kanban. We'll do inventory stocking program where we'll keep a certain number of weeks on hand on the shelf, so that then when they call up, we can ship them out that day. We do other programs where we keep a min-max level, and we just manufacture to the min-max level. We're not afraid to hold inventory. We'll carry those costs to satisfy our customer. Another thing we like to do is invest in specialized packaging for our customers, and we give them the part exactly the way that they want to receive it and exactly the way that's most beneficial to them, so that they can use it productively in their production lines. We ended up investing a lot of money in testing equipment. This is a brand new investment that we made, Brown & Sharp C&M coordinate measuring machine. And what it does is this probe will actually go into a part that's fixtured onto this platform here. And it'll go in and take all the dimensions down to 1/1000 of an inch. We went out and got